สิจังสันจังสัน
They're trying to eat peanut butter off their nose. If they were smart, they would just lick the peanut butter off each other's nose.
Oh, he got his. Look at it.
No, she's gonna wipe it on the cabinet now.
She's smart. She's wiping on the cabinet.
Watch out, Toby. Oh, look at Toby's licking it off her nose now.
There we go. Good boy.